POPSI. POPSI stands for Postflight Based Permuted Subject Indexing. It's designed by Ganesh Bhattacharya at Documentation Research Training Center, Bangalore in 1964. POPSI based on general theory of subject indexing language, that is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's Postflights and Principles of General Theory of Classification. Hence, it's considered an improved version of chain indexing. Structure of POPSI. POPSI recommends a set of elementary categories which are discipline D, entity E, action A, property P. Discipline D covers a conventional field of study. Example, medicine, political science, physics, etc. Entity E includes manifestation having perceptual correlates, energy, length, time are these examples. Action A, manifestation denoting concept of doing. Example, treatment, migration, etc. Property P includes ideas denoting concept of attribute. Example, capacity, power, efficiency, etc. Basic sequence of POPSI. Discipline D followed by entity appropriately interpolated action A and property P is the basic sequence of POPSI. POPSI is a pre-coordinating indexing. All pre-coordinating indexing are based on classificatory principles for facet analysis and synthesis. POPSI is a process primarily of analysis, synthesis, permutation. Steps in POPSI. The index entries according to POPSI are generated in a systematic manner with the help of following operation. Analysis, formalization, modulation, standardization, modulation, preparation of entries for organizing classification. Organizing classification. Decision about terms of approach. Preparation of entries for associative classification. Alphabetization. Demonstration for POPSI procedure. Title. The chemical treatment of the adenocarcinoma of stomach. Step 1. Analysis. D. Medicine. E. Stomach. P of E. Adenocarcinoma. A of B. Chemical treatment equal to chemotherapy. Step 2. Formalization. Medicine D. Stomach. E. Adenocarcinoma. P of E. Chemical treatment equal to chemotherapy. A on P. Next, standardization. Medicine D. Stomach. E. Adenocarcinoma. P of E. Chemotherapy equal to chemical treatment. A on P. Modulation. Medicine D. Man. Digestive system. Stomach. E. Disease. Cancer. Carcinoma. Adenocarcinoma. P of E. Treatment. Chemotherapy. Chemical treatment. A on P. Modulation. Organizing classification. Entries for organizing classification. EOC. Medicine 6. Man. Digestive system. Stomach 6.2. Disease. Cancer. Carcinoma. Adenocarcinoma 6.2.1. Treatment, chemotherapy. Of approach. Chemical treatment, medicine, C, chemotherapy. Use each term other than medicine and man as a term of approach. 7th step, associative classification. AOC, associative classification. Medicine 6, man, a digestive system. Stomach 6.2, disease, cancer, carcinoma, adenocarcinoma 6.2.1. Treatment, ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. 8th step, alphabetization. Arrange the entries in word by word sequence. POPSI is a new system. POPSI can be applied micro and macro level documents available in the form of non-book, non-print form.